I came here today to show you guys what is in this box. I'm super excited. I was going through Target and I was able to find it. I actually saw it on the Pretty Girl's Guide on Instagram. On her Insta story, she went to Target and she found this. So I got on my phone and I've located the nearest one near me, and they had to go get it from the back because they didn't even have it out on the shelves yet. So I'm super excited to see what everything looks like. But just from the back description, it shows that it has the Jane Carter Curls to Go Untangle Me. It has the Camille Rose Aloe Whipped Butter Gel, Camille Rose Almond J Twisting Butter, TGIN's Honey Mask, Mielle Organics Detangling Co-Wash, and then Mielle Organics Babassu Oil Mint Deep Conditioner. Now I have used the deep conditioner and I have used the Almond J Twisting Butter, and I love both of those. So with it coming in a pack like this, I'm assuming that they're all supposed to work well together because there's not two of anything. So I'm assuming these are all supposed to work. Oh, well, no, I'll take that back because there's two masks. I don't know. But the name of it, so you can look it up, is Define and Shine. And it's only at Target, I believe, because it has like the little Target logo down here. So I'm pretty sure you can only find it there. And they're supposed to be travel size. So I want to open it up and see exactly what it looks like. So I'm about to open it. It's still sealed. I haven't opened it yet. So we can see what it's looking like inside of here. Super anxious. It's probably because I'm a product junkie, but that's fine. I just have a love of products. These are so cute. Aww. So this is the butter gel, and ooh, this smells really good. But they're all 2-ounce containers of each. But this I really feel like is enough for a few styles, depending on how thick your hair is and how long it is. But this is this, and this is how big it is. And then this is the Almond J Twisting Butter. So these are obviously the same size because it's the same company. Then we have the Co-Wash. So it's teeny tiny, but it's still real cute. So this is probably only one. You could probably only get like one use out of this one, just because it is pretty small. And this is the Honey Mask from TGIN. Now I feel like this is really gonna be one use if it's that, because my hair is thick right now. And I don't know if this is gonna be enough, but I mean, it's a sample pack, so it's like you're getting to try it out to make sure that it'll work before you actually buy it, so it's worth it still. This is teeny tiny. This one is actually only 1 fluid ounce. The deep conditioner from Mielle. So I thought it said everything was 2 ounces, but I guess not. And then the Curls to Go Untangle Me Weightless Leave-In. And so this will give me a few uses, and I really like this because it says that it's for curly and coily hair, so this should work for me. And inside of here I'm seeing papers, and this is really cute. It starts off, "Hello hair goddess. If you're one of the lucky ladies blessed with natural curls, you also know the downside can be coarse, dry, frizzed out strands. Inside this box, you'll find a few of our faves that'll give your mane the moisture, care, and attention it needs. Try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find the full-size versions at Target." So this is very cute, and it gives you little instructions on the back, or tips that you can go by. For the TGIN honey hair mask, it shows that you should probably use it overnight for the best results. So it just has like little helpful hints and tricks on here. But also, it gives you coupons. It's giving you coupons for a few of the items in there, and the coupons don't expire until the end of this year, literally December 31st, 2018. So that is really good. So you can go ahead and get your money off as well. I like this idea. Whoever came up with this, with the marketing, very great idea.